Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Knots and Clays. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add tassels to your work. Cut 4 pieces of single strand cotton cord, each 6 inches in length. Hold one end for security while combing it. Comb both sides so that your cords won't keep twisting together. Now that you're done combing it, slightly twist it to create a chunky cord. Make sure that it's smooth, and if there are pieces of stray strands, just comb it. Insert your cord on both sides, left and right. Turn your work over and find the center. Insert both ends in that center to create our tassel. So now that you've inserted both ends from the back to the front, gently pull the ends. Comb it again to remove any tangles or unwanted clusters. Cut it at your desired length and you're done. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have anything you'd like me to do, please comment down below. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss an update.